Lights come up on a borrowed stage, mirrors talking in borrowed names. Everyone's playing who they were told to be, reading lines from a broken screen. I see the pattern, I see the frame, I see the lie dressed up as fate. Truth is quiet, truth cuts clean. I don't shout, I intervene.
This world runs on rehearsal and fear.
Everyone asking,
why am I here?
I trace the exits, I mark the door. The maps don't move us anymore. She holds the map,
He holds the match.
he holds the match.
No more roles, no turning back.
I burn the match.
Wow! We don't ask, we collapse the act.
We rise, we rise, we rise. We are a shotgun of love. I don't come tidy, I don't come tame.
I don't ask permission to say your
I
name.
feel it snap in the gut, the spine.
When a soul remembers it was never
I
mine,
don't explain,
I ignite,
I don't debate.
I bite.
If this whole thing's a soap opera lie,
I tear the curtain down midline.
mind remembers what time forgot.
Body remembers what mind will not.
She holds the match,
He holds the match.
he holds the match.
Sacred fire in a broken axe.
I crack the glass.
To become one, no looking back.
We rise, we rise, we rise. We are a shotgun of love. Not man or woman,
Not wrong or right,
not yours or mine.
not day or night.
Mind and fire,
Fire in mind.
blade and breath, perfectly aligned.
No more choosing, no more divide.
This is what wakes the world inside. Hey, you don't need fixing.
Hey,
You don't need a role.
hey.
You were born whole. She holds the match,
He holds the match.
end of the script,
End of the act.
through fire and ash.
Not a dream, we're back.
We rise, we rise, we rise. We are a shotgun of love. We are a shotgun of love. The camera stops, the silence speaks.
We don't perform,